Now there are actually two ways of working into your chain. I'm just going to show you this doing single crochets, which will be the next stitch I show you with instructions. You can actually work back down the chain through the top of each chain, like so. Which will give you the loops at the bottom there. Okay. But there is one other way you can work through the chains. I'm just going to go back to the beginning. And some patterns might actually suggest that you do this, and that is to work in the loop at the back of each chain. Can you see that little loop there? So you actually want to get your hook in. Oh, keep it. You want to get your hook in under that loop and then work your stitch, whatever it may be, and then you'll find your next loop. And what that actually does, hang on, I'll do one more just to show you. Is create two loops at the bottom of your work. And that's the top of our stitches, and there's the two loops. So it'll be a slightly different edge at the bottom of your work.